This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix redeem iTunes gift card not working on App Store. So if you're facing issues to redeem iTunes gift card, just follow these quick solutions to fix Apple gift card not working issue. The first solution is you have to choose your exact location. Go to settings, tap on general, language and region, and here select the exact location where you are located and then check the issue. And the second solution is make sure to enter the right redeem code. So double check or triple check your redeem code and then check the issue. And the third solution is log out of App Store and log back in. Open your App Store and tap on your profile photo at the top right. Tap on sign out. Tap on done. Then go to settings. Tap on your name. Tap on media and purchases. Tap on continue. Then go to your App Store again. Tap on your profile photo. Tap on redeem gift card or code and it should work now. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.